Are you thinking about starting an online business, but don't know where to find reliable products or trustworthy suppliers? Or maybe you've already started, but you're tired of dealing with low-quality goods and unreliable vendors? Well, in this video, we're going to take a closer look at Salehoo.com, a platform designed to make sourcing products for your online store simpler, safer, and more profitable. Salehoo is your gateway to a smarter, more profitable way of selling online. Inside, you'll find 8,000 plus pre-vetted suppliers, carefully screened to ensure quality, reliability, and legitimacy, so you can skip the guesswork and avoid costly mistakes. Even better, you get access to over 2.5 million winning products, making it easy to discover high-demand items that customers are already searching for. Salehoo also offers a wide range of dropshipping suppliers, allowing you to sell products without holding inventory. That means lower risk, less upfront cost, and more flexibility to test and grow your store. With Salehoo, you're not just finding products, you're unlocking a network, tools, and opportunities designed to help you compete with the best in the business. Salehoo is designed for a wide range of users. If you're a beginner looking to start your first online store, whether it's on Shopify, eBay, or Amazon, Salehoo can help you find products to sell without needing to hold inventory. If you're more experienced, it can still be valuable for discovering new suppliers, expanding your product range, or finding better pricing to improve your profit margins. It's also useful for dropshippers, since many of the suppliers listed offer dropshipping services, meaning they ship products directly to your customers on your behalf. One of the main features of Salehoo is its supplier directory. This directory includes thousands of suppliers from different niches, everything from electronics and fashion to home goods and beauty products. Each supplier goes through a vetting process, which reduces the risk of scams, something that's unfortunately very common when sourcing products online. You can search by product type, brand, or supplier location. Another powerful feature is Salehoo's market research tool. This tool helps you identify trending products, see how well items are selling, and estimate potential profit margins. Instead of guessing what might sell, you can use real data to make more informed decisions. For example, you can look up a product and see its average selling price, competition level, and demand trends, all of which help you avoid investing in products that won't perform well. Salehoo also offers educational resources and support. If you're new to e-commerce, this can be incredibly helpful. The platform includes training guides, tutorials, and a community forum where you can ask questions and get advice from other sellers. There's also customer support available if you run into issues or need help navigating the platform. This makes Salehoo not just a tool, but also a learning resource for building your business. One of the biggest advantages of using Salehoo is the time it saves. Finding reliable suppliers on your own can take days or even weeks of research, and even then, there's no guarantee they'll be trustworthy. Salehoo cuts through that process by giving you a ready-made list of verified suppliers, so you can focus more on building and growing your business. Another major benefit is reduced risk. When you're sourcing products online, there's always a chance of running into scams, fake suppliers, or poor quality goods. Salehoo screens its suppliers. You have an added layer of protection, which is especially important if you're investing money up front. By connecting you directly with wholesalers and manufacturers, Salehoo can also help improve your profit margins. Instead of buying from middlemen, you can often access lower prices, giving you more room to make a profit when you sell your products. This is particularly valuable in competitive marketplaces like Amazon and eBay, where pricing can make or break your success. Of course, no platform is perfect, and Salehoo is no exception. One thing to keep in mind is that it's a paid service. While the cost is relatively affordable compared to other tools, it's still an investment, especially if you're just starting out. Also, while the directory is extensive, it may not include every supplier or niche you're looking for. So, in some cases, you might still need to do additional research outside the platform. So, is Salehoo worth it? If you're new to e-commerce and want a safer, more structured way to find suppliers, then yes, it can be a very useful tool. It simplifies the process, reduces risk, and gives you access to valuable data and support that can help you get started faster. For more experienced sellers, it can still be beneficial as a research tool and supplier database, though you may already have alternative sourcing methods. At the end of the day, success in e-commerce comes down to choosing the right products, working with reliable suppliers, and understanding understanding your market. Salehoo aims to make that process easier by providing all of those elements in one place. If you're serious about starting or growing your online business, it might be worth checking out and seeing if it fits your needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to click on the web promotion link in the description of this video. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips on building your online business.